Okay, let's be real. Stuffed snails, or escargots if you want to sound fancy, have this reputation, right? They're supposed to be the kind of dish you only see in a Parisian bistro, made by chefs who spent years perfecting the technique. But here's the thing. It's all a culinary illusion. Today, I'm demystifying the whole process and showing you the surprisingly simple secret to making perfect stuffed snails right in your own kitchen. Imagine this. You invite friends over, you lift the lid, and there they are. Plump, garlicky snails bubbling in herb butter. Their jaws drop. You smile, knowing you cracked the code. So, what's the big secret? It's not about mastering some ancient French ritual or tracking down a rare ingredient. It's about one ridiculously easy move that changes everything. Here's what most people get wrong. They overthink it. Stuffed snails are all about flavor and texture, not complexity. The trick? Use canned snails. I know, purists are gasping. But trust me, the quality is great and it saves you hours of prep. Next, ditch the complicated stuffing. All you need is softened butter, loads of garlic, chopped parsley, a pinch of salt, and a squeeze of lemon. Mash it all together. Don't skimp on that butter. And spoon it generously over each snail. That's it. No secret code, no chef's diploma required. Pop them in a hot oven, just long enough for the butter to bubble. At the end, you can sprinkle with cheese if you like, and seasoned breadcrumbs to elevate as desired. The result? Pure magic. They come out tender, rich, and bursting with flavor. You'll be amazed at how easy it is, and so will anyone lucky enough to get a taste. So next time you want to surprise someone or just treat yourself, remember, perfect stuffed snails aren't reserved for French restaurants. The secret is all about keeping it simple, letting those classic flavors shine, and having the confidence to try. Gourmet just got a whole lot easier, and you're officially a snail stuffing master. Give it a shot and let me know how it goes. Who knew snails could be this easy? Thanks for watching. Enjoy your perfect stuffed snails and let us know how your dish turned out. Bon appétit!